Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use YouTube TV outside the US. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, when I try to watch on YouTube TV, nothing is showing on the screen besides this message telling me it looks like you're outside the United States. YouTube TV is only available in the US. So in order to fix this problem, the solution is very simple. We're gonna need to use NordVPN. Because NordVPN is a top choice among streamers, offers fast and reliable connections, encrypting your traffic and shielding your IP and virtual location, ensuring a safe and private online experience. So if you want to use NordVPN, all you have to do is click onto the link that I left you in the description down below. And it's gonna take you to NordVPN's official website, just like that. Here it tells you to stay in your cybersecurity bubble, get up to 74% off 2-year plans plus 3 extra months from almost $12 or $100.50 to $3 per month. So all you have to do is click onto the Get Deal button and it's gonna take you to this page. From here you want to choose which plan suits you well, whether it is the Basic, Plus or the Ultimate. You can see the features of every plan here underneath. Once signed up, you will be able to download and install the VPN app that is compatible with your browsing device. Then you can go ahead and choose a US IP address. After you do, you're going to be able to watch on YouTube TV without any issue and without even worrying about the security of your network. All thanks to NordVPN. So that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.